In this video, we're going to talk about real estate versus stocks, which is better to become a millionaire. So, before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Many investors have traditionally turned to the stock market as a place to put their investing dollars. While stocks are a well-known investment option, not everyone knows that buying real estate is also considered an investment. Under the right circumstances, real estate can be an alternative to stocks, offering lower risk, yielding better returns, and providing greater diversification. Here's a list of the real estate versus stocks, which is better to become a millionaire. Let's start. Overview: Real estate versus stocks. Investing in real estate or stocks is a personal choice that depends on your financial situation, risk tolerance, goals, and investment style. It's safe to assume that more people invest in the stock market, perhaps because it doesn't take as much time or money to buy stocks. Investing in stocks. Buying shares of stock has significant pros and some important cons to remember before you take the plunge. While investment cash can be locked up for years in real estate, the purchase or sale of public company shares can be done the moment you decide it's time to act. Unlike real estate, it's also easier to know the value of your investment at any time. Investing in real estate. Traditional real estate investments can be broken down into two broad categories: residential properties, like your home, rental properties, or flipping homes to buy, then resell for a profit, and commercial properties, such as apartment complexes, office buildings, and strip malls. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.